In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check Provisional Driving License UK. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly track your application online. You will be able to check the status of your Provisional Driving License application in the UK, and all that you have to do for this method is to visit the official government's website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go over to www.gov.uk. You will arrive at this page where you can browse through various services and information. Now, all that you have to do here is go over to the driving license page. I recommend using the search function from here, but you can browse through various options and eventually you should be able to find something related to driving license. If you use the search function instead, it should be the first result to appear. So click on driving licenses, and in here you will have plenty of services available once more. Now, the category that you are looking for is this one, apply for a license. The third option is going to be track your driving license application. Now, for this video, I'm going to assume that you have already gone through the initial process and that you have already applied. And of course, you just want to check the status of your provisional driving license. So all that you have to do here is, as you can see, if you have already made an online driving license application, you can track its progress. You will need your 14-digit application reference number. This was emailed to you after you applied, so if you still need to get this number, go over to the email address that you used and find it there. Once again, I cannot show you how to get this information because it is very sensitive. But all that you have to do after is click on Start Now. There's also this message. You will normally get your driving license within a week of completing your online application. Click on Start Now if you would like to check. Give it some time to load, and then proceed. Include your application reference number, your surname, and then a postcode. If you need help, click on this red text here and they are going to teach you how to acquire this information. Once again, I cannot show you the full process. I don't have these reference numbers at hand at the moment, but you will be able to follow the on-screen instructions to get this process done on your own. I hope I was able to help you on how to check Provisional Driving License UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.